Hi, this is James with Thermal Battery Systems. I'm just going to give a brief overview of the controls training board I have here and what we do with it. I use it for a few things. We use it for training on the configuration of thermostats and of other controls, and I also do it to determine control methods for thermal battery systems. And so I can do a number of different things with it. I've got all these light bulbs here that are wired through a standard Taco switching relay box here. It's a 6-zone switching relay box. And you know, I can do all sorts of things with interacting thermostats or set point controllers or differential temperature controllers with the relay box to make these circuits turn on for whatever reasons I want them to turn on for. And so we've got, right now I was testing a Resol Deltasol BXL controller. This is a pretty sophisticated solar controller. It has 4 temperature input probes that I put them in various temperature cups of water to try and simulate if, for example, if solar collectors were to get warmer than a heat sink, and so on. And then I just have a standard Tecmar differential temperature set point controller there, and then a Ranco 2-stage set point controller there. And of course we just have this is a Honeywell 6000 thermostat. And so I use a whole variety of different controls when I'm attempting to demonstrate methods that we can use to make a thermal battery system operate. There's no one correct way of doing things to make the system work. And while there's certainly sophisticated controls out there that can, you know, get it all done with one control, you know, as I come across things like that and I can get my hands on them, we test them with this board and determine that they will indeed do what we want them to do and turn on the various lights. Essentially, these lights most often would not represent the terminals that I have written here, G, Y, Y2. Most of the time they would represent like circuit A, circuit B, circuit C, and these would be circuits that this one might be through the heat exchanger of the thermal battery, this one might be through a solar collector loop, you know, this one might be through a fluid cooler, or maybe that's going through ground loops. In any case, whatever the configuration of the system is, we can draw a picture of it, determine how we want it to operate, and then put the associated controls up here on the board, wire them through the relay box there, and then build our control sequence and make the whole thing operate. So, just a little overview on that, and this is James with Thermal Battery Systems. Thanks for watching.